Hey everyone! Want to know how you can benefit from a new project that could make a big splash in the crypto world? Imagine discovering an opportunity that could transform your financial future, but you're hesitant because you don't know where to start. Today, we're diving into Major, a new project that's promising a lot, but there are some things you need to understand before jumping in. Let's get started. Major is a new Telegram bot designed to offer significant earning opportunities for its users. It's part of a larger project that aims to provide a unique experience in the crypto space. The main idea is to earn stars or points by completing specific tasks, which can then be converted into digital currency. But, like any new venture, there are some details you should be aware of before you begin. When you first access the Major bot, you might find its interface a bit complex. But don't worry, it's simpler than it seems. Just start the bot by clicking Start. Then press Let's Get Started. After that, you'll see the main page where you can view your current star balance and how you can earn more. There are several ways to collect points in Major. You can begin by completing simple tasks like following accounts or engaging in activities within the bot. You can also increase your points by completing certain challenges. In the free rating section, you can earn stars for free by performing easy tasks that grant you additional points. Referrals. Earning points through referrals is one of the most effective methods. Share your referral link on platforms like Facebook or in crypto groups to boost your referral numbers. Utilize social media to promote the bot. Just be sure to follow the rules of any groups you post in to avoid getting banned. Leverage free offers. Occasionally, the bot offers promotions like Free Spin, which give you a chance to earn extra points. The airdrop is a fantastic opportunity to get free coins. The timing of the airdrop is usually set according to specific schedules, and the latest information suggests it will happen before the end of October. Stay tuned for updates and announcements from the bot to ensure you don't miss out. There are high expectations for the coin's value, with predictions suggesting it could rise significantly upon listing. Experts anticipate it could reach $0.005, reflecting the potential for substantial gains for early investors. Keep an eye on project updates to stay informed. You can join a squad or specific group for the project through the bot. Click on the Join Squad button and follow the instructions. You can find the link to our squad in the video description if you want to join us. Major could be your next big opportunity in the crypto world. Don't miss out on exploring all its features and making the most of it. Collect points, share referrals, and watch out for the airdrop. Just remember, new bots and projects come with some risks, so make sure to do your research. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.